I wanted to make this short video to show you how easy it is to make some rosemary hair water that is so good at hair growth, hair health, and also cutting grease so that you can go longer between washes. So the first thing you need to do is gather some fresh rosemary. Organic is best. I had some in my garden at this time of the year, so I definitely use that. You can also get some mint or peppermint leaves, which adds a little bit of freshness to your hair, but that's not necessary. Then you'll get 2 cups of water boiling on the stove top, and add in your 4 sprigs of rosemary and peppermint if you're using that. Just a few leaves really does the trick. You'll let that simmer on the oven for about 15 minutes. You can cover it if you want more of the water to stay in there, or leave it uncovered if you want more of a concentrated rosemary water, which you can add water to later. After it's simmered, you can strain it. You can just take out the big chunks and then through a fine mesh sieve, strain the rest of it out. I like to put that right on top of a funnel and get it right into my glass water bottle, which I will use with a spray nozzle to put on my hair. It can be really hot after coming off the stove, so you can let this cool down for about 20 minutes before you do this step. But if that didn't fill up your water bottle, you can just add extra water to fill the bottle to the top. Store this rosemary hair water in the fridge, but you can see from my daughter's hair, she's been using this for a couple of months and her hair is so healthy and she has insane amount of growth happening, which you can see better here under all this thick, luscious hair. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and you can find the recipe at tidbitsandcompany.com or in the description below. Thanks for watching.